So for this plantain porridge, we're going to be using 1 cup of oat, 4 large plantains, 2 cup of water, coconut milk or cream, cinnamon leaf. If you don't have cinnamon leaf, you can use cinnamon powder. I'm going to be using mixed spices, almond, nutmeg extract, and I'm going to be using the real natural nutmeg. And I'm going to be using vanilla, brown sugar, condensed milk, and 8 tubs of salt. So now we're going to blend our oats and our plantain with the 2 cup of water, and then we're going to get down to business. So everything is blended out smooth. Now we add oats and cloves. Make sure if you decide to make this porridge to boil 1 cup of water, and you can add your cinnamon leaf in the water before you add your blended plantain mixture. blender and blend it with the plantain, but it couldn't hold, so I ended up blending it separately. So now I've added it, and now it's extremely thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more water, and then we're going to whisk it. And we might and sell me some cups of porridge. Like, I don't know why. I don't know, I think it's a thing. I can't cook a little bit of food. I cannot. Like, it's always guaranteed that if somebody shows up, they get something to eat at my house. Like, I don't know, of course, look a bit of food. So, but I lie. Consume this.
A few moments later.
I'm going to try the plantain porridge with the oats. I'm going to let you know how it tastes. And I would like to thank you guys for your continued support. I'm now at 840 subscribers. And hopefully by the time I post this video, I'll be at 900 or 1K. Who knows? Girl gotta be optimistic. So, I'm gonna taste my porridge and then I'll let you know how it tastes. And yes, the first me make the porridge. And my mother approve it. So me know say girl porridge come out because if she say it tastes good, hey, I may tell you say that the woman there, she could have go 5-star restaurant. So I go find a probably the food like girl, believe say everything that tastes good. But I say go when you're a chef still. So I'ma taste the porridge. And I'm gonna let you know what it tastes like. So a big spoon. Hold on. Let me try one more. Oh, yeah, look powerful, lady. Like, I don't know if plantain porridge me drinking in my life, you know. But if you look at plantain porridge, that one, yeah, in the top 5 with it. Like, the porridge, yeah, could that Taiwan man. Like, right now, me, forget ring. Because girl can make porridge. And porridge strong up man back. And good plantain porridge. Oh, big up Ramona for them plantain here. Thanks, Ramona. Thanks. But not lie. The porridge will come out. Anyways, make a song and I drip my porridge and put 2 crackers in it. A piece of bread. So check on the back.